Hi there, coding enthusiasts. In today's video, we are diving into a fantastic coding challenge, group anagram. Anagram are word or phrase framed by rearrange the letter of another word or phrase. Our goal is to take a list of strings and group them based on whether they are anagram of each other. We'll explore an efficient TypeScript code snippet that completes this task using a clever approach. Now we'll explain the group anagram LeetCode problem. Here I have little bit explanation, like given an array of string str, group the anagram together. You can return the answer if in any order. In anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearrange the letter of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letter except the ones. Here I have example 1. Here you can see have a array. From this array we get a BAT bat, this is a single. We get NAT and TN, these two are group of anagram. AT, EAT and TA, these three are valid anagram, so these three are on a group anagram. Also if we get empty array, then we are given a empty array anagram. If we get only one item from array, then we make one item of anagram. Let's jump into code. Let's break down the TypeScript solution step by step. Step 1. Initializing the map. We start by creating a map named Anagram. This map will serve as our data structure to store anagram in group. The key will be the shorted letter of an anagram, and the value will be an array of string that belong to the anagram group. Iterating through string, we then loop through each string in the input array str, sorting and key creating. For each string, we perform the following step: split the string into an array of its character, sort the character alphabetically to create a key that represents the anagram group, join the sorted character back into a string to get the key. Grouping anagram. Next we check if the anagram group map already has an entry for the current key sorted letter. If it does, we add the current string to the array of that key. If not, we create a new entry with the current string as the first element in the array. Returning group anagram. Finally, we use array from anagram group values to convert the value of that map array of anagram into a two-dimensional array which represent the group anagram. Now let's submit this code. This TypeScript solution elegant group anagram by sorting the letter of each string and using a map to efficiently manage and organize the anagram group. This approach showcases the power of data structure in solving complex problems with ease. Feel free to experiment with different input and understand how the algorithm efficiently handles anagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Let's work for today's video. We have uncovered that art of grouping anagram using TypeScript and a static using of the map data structure. I hope you enjoy this coding journey. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I will catch you in the next video. Happy coding.